Hi guys, this is Haider from Zappa channel. You are watching your favorite YouTube channel. Stay tuned because today I have something interesting. Welcome back to this edition. Today we are going to discuss about some sites you can make money online. In today's edition, I'm going to take you through a website where you can make money online. Just have to do some simple works and you make it. Hi guys, this is Zappa channel, one of the YouTube channels that teaches you how to learn a lot. In today's edition, we are going to see how to make money online. Now before we enter, this is my page. This is a website we use for making money. This is the website we use to work at our own convenient time to make money. You can see there are a lot of works here with different payments. Some are 1.2, some $2, some 4 cents, 3 cents, 30 cents. You can see this is real. It is real. This is real. It's happening. People are making money out there. It has a lot of categories. You see there are sign up, SEO, Twitter, Facebook, and the rest. You can see under the CEO, promote content plus engage. These are categories of jobs you can do to make some petty money, petty dollars at your own convenience. Now you can see these are some of the work I have done. I've earned some cents. You can see cumulatively it's going to make up some huge dollars, which you can use at your own leisure time. The work is not tedious. You just have to do it at your own pace. Look at it. We have the gigs, we have the micros jobs, we have the survey, the offer, and the wallets. Now, how do we go to this website? How do we sign up for this website? Let's go. Now, open any of your browser. Go there and type www.picoworkers.com. I'm going to drop a link that will take you directly to the sign up page. So follow my link, please. Now once you follow that link, it is going to take you to the sign up page. Now you can see because I have not logged out, I'm still in. So let me log out and come back again. Now this is the page it's going to bring you. It's going to bring you into a page like this. So click the sign up button. Under the sign up button, there are some series of questions you are going to answer. For example, your real name, your email address, the password you want to use, your nickname, your country. Then you are going to spot the terms. Remember, these people workers are just some workers that you can do. You can be an employer and you can be a worker depending on what you want to do. Do you want to earn money online or do you want to give a job for people to do it for you? If you want to give out a job, you are an employer. After you finish filling everything, you click the sign up button. Now you can see it has not gone because I have not filled anything. And you can see everything is full. Now, after you might have sign up everything, it is going to send email to your account, to the email address you use for you to verify and confirm. So once you confirm, it is going to bring you to this page. Now on this page, you input your email address and you input your password. Once you input the password, you hit the login button and it will take you direct to this login page. On this page, we have the gig, we have the micro job, we have the survey. Now, if you want, as a worker, you always go to the micro jobs and you check the jobs that are listed. Each job has its own procedures and what the client wants you to do. So you can be an employer, you can select to be an employer to give people work. You can see. You can give these are all workers that they can work for you, so you can choose. You can decide to work and earn too. So you just have to change between the buyer and the seller Now under the micro jobs, that is where you find the jobs that you can do. There are 3 levels. We have the starter level, or the beginner, we have the intermediate, and we have the expert level. Based on your category, you are going to have the type of job for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.